Welcome to Englishshortstory Stories. Dear children, today is the story The Proud Parrot. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful green wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought, "Oh, ugly big crow we are." He said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, "Thought that are ugly, that help him to fly to a larger distance." The parrot moved little more closer to the crow, spread his wing and showed how beautiful he is. Just then